Merry Christmas and welcome to Drawing with Justin. Today we are going to draw a candy cane. But before we do, please do subscribe because we've got a brand new draw along video coming out tomorrow and you're not going to want to miss it. So make sure you subscribe and let's draw a candy cane.
All right. I love a good candy cane. We're going to draw an upside down J, if you can imagine that. But it's just a curve that has a long tail, okay? So watch this. We're going to draw a curve that has a long tail. See how that's like an upside down J if I turned my page around? Okay. Now, go ahead and draw the bottom of our candy cane. I'm going to make it about that thick. Same thing. Well, actually, let's do this. Let's follow that tail all the way back up, back up, back up, back up. And then follow that curve up and down. Then connect them. That easy, guys. This is looking great already. All right, our candy cane needs stripes, and we're going to do something fun here. You're going to draw a curve that goes from one side to the other. And then do that again right above it. Now, some candy canes have thick and thin stripes, so I think we should do that. So let's draw a thin stripe this time. So draw another curve. And this time, draw the next one right next to it, so it's nice and skinny. And we're going to do a thick one again. Give it more space. Then I'm going to do a thin one. You got it? I think we should draw a thin one at the bottom here. All right, so I drew a thin one here. Let's draw another thick one. And a thin one. Nice work. This is a tasty looking candy cane. There's another thick one. And one last thin one. All right, guys. That looks awesome. You are ready to color your candy cane.
Those candy canes were so much fun. Thanks for drawing with me. Let's do it again tomorrow. So subscribe, and there's another Christmas draw along video coming out tomorrow. I'll see you then.